Good evening, students. Now we will see the numericals on the simply supported beam with point load. Okay, so we'll start with this. I will write here simply supported SFD and BMD for simply supported beam with point load. Okay, so we will deal with this numericals. So first example is this is your beam, this is your support, hinge support, and this is your overall support. And here is your point load. The distances are like this. This is 2 meter. This is 2 meter. This is 40 kilometer. This point is A. This point is B. And this point is C. Now we have to find out. The first step is to find out the support reactions. Okay. So here is one reaction, and here is another reaction. Here is vertical reaction. This reaction is RV. This reaction is RA. This horizontal reaction at A. Horizontal reaction at A is 0 as there is no horizontal force acting on this beam. So horizontal force is 0. Now by using the conditions of equilibrium, summation Fy is equal to 0. Upward force I consider positive. So Ra plus, then minus 40, then plus Rb. This is equal to 0. So Ra plus Rb is equal to 40. This is your first equation. Using the conditions of equilibrium, I'll take the moment about A equal to 0, clockwise moment as positive. So 40 kilonewton is producing clockwise, so positive into perpendicular distance is 2 meter. This force into perpendicular distance is 2. Then minus Rb into 4. This is the perpendicular. This produces anti-clockwise moment about A is equal to 0. So Rb will get the value as 20 kilonewton. Okay, as seen, this figure is a symmetric about the axis, this axis. So reactions are 20, 20. Substituting in equation 1, we'll get the value of Ra also 20 kilonewton. These are the reactions. This is 20 kilonewton, and this is also 20 kilonewton. Like this. Now you have to find out the shear force values. Okay, and bending moment values. As you know, you have to draw first the lines from each point. Then you have to draw the baseline. This is baseline for this SFD, and this is baseline for BMD. Okay. So this is your SFD, baseline for SFD. This is the baseline for BMD. Okay. And your task is to find out the shear force values. So we'll start with the shear force values. Okay, so shear force, you have to take some section. So consider this is a section. For example, this is XX. The shear force as XX section is equal to, as you know the sign convention, this is XX section. XX section के left में upward force and section के right में downward force. Positive sign convention, exactly opposite for the negative sign convention. So this section के left में this force is upward, so positive 20 kilonewton. Okay, one force is there only, So this is 20 kilonewton. Now you have to find out this shear force value for the different points, for A point, C point, and B point. So the shear force at A point, left towards left. So see, this A point towards left is no force, there is no beam, so this force is 0, and the shear force at A to the right. तो right में देखोगे तो just right, you are taking the value of just right. So just right value is 20 kilonewton. Okay, this is your 20 kilonewton positive. Now the second, consider this section XX. For example, then you have to find out the shear force at that section XX is equal to 20 minus 40 is equal to minus 20 kilonewton. Okay, you have to find out the shear force at C to the left. If you find out the shear force to the left, we will get the value just to the left is 20 kilonewton. See this A, RA is constant, so left में आपका value है 20 kilonewton, and just right में है आपका shear force at C towards right. When you evaluate towards right, just right the 40 kilonewton force is acting. So this is your 20 and minus 40 is equal to minus 20 kilonewton. This is towards right, the same as this. Okay, so this is your value. Now you have to find out the shear force at B. The shear force at B is again 20 kilonewton. If you consider this section XX, from this the force is acting upward. So this and towards right, upward force is negative. The shear force at B to the left portion is minus 20 kilonewton, and right is 0. Right? Shear force at right is 0. Now we have to draw these figures. So see this. Shear force at A point to the left is 0. Left is 0. Then and shear force at right is 20. So right is 20. This is your value 20. Now this value is constant up to this point. Now just right, the value is minus 20. C towards right, this right minus 20. So comes out to the minus 20, and it is constant toward the B point, and this is a computer diagram. Okay, so this is your positive, this is your negative. Then this value is your 20, this value is your 20, this is 20, this is 20. And see, if you add these two values, 20 plus 20, this comes out to be 40. So these values are right. Okay, so this is your shear force diagram. So loading is 0 degree. So your behavior of the shear force diagram is rectangle. Okay, this is 0 degree curve. Now the first this is 0 degree loading, then this is the first degree, and now the second degree. Okay, your BMD will be 1 degree higher than SFD. Okay, that we already derived, right? Now we have to find out the bending moment values. Okay, so let's start with the bending moment. So again I will draw the beam like this. Now here is the this is your reaction, this is your reaction, and here is your 40. Okay, this value is your 40, this is your 40, this is your 20, this is your 20, this is your A point, this is your B point, and this is your C point. And the distance between these two is 2 meters and 2 meters. Now we have to write the equation for bending moment. So bending moment about XX. So we are considering this section XX. Okay. Now you know about this XX section. This is the exact section. If the producing clockwise, that means sagging. If you apply this load, so this beam is deflect like this about this x-axis. So this is the sagging bending moment. It is positive. and the bending moment is force into perpendicular distance. So 20 into about the section x, that is this distance x. Okay, so this is 20 into x. Now we have to find out the bending moment about A points and C point. Okay, so bending moment, this equation is valid for this span AC. Okay, the bending moment about A. So x is equal to 0. A is at origin, so equal to 20 into 0. So values come up with 0. Now the bending moment at C point. So x is equal to 2. When you put x is equal to 2, you will get the value 20 into 2 as 40 kilonewton meter. So this is your bending moment value. Okay. Now consider this section xx again. Now we have to find out the bending moment equation at B point. Okay. Bending moment at xx for second span. Okay. So this value is 20 into, for example, now this distance is x. Okay. And 20 into x, producing sagging, so positive. This particular producing hogging is reflecting like this, so producing hogging bending moment. So it is minus 40 into 4 minus x. Okay. Now when you put the bending moment about B point, what is bending moment at B? So your x is equal to 4, right? X is equal to 4 total span, right? We are considering x from A to C, A to B span we are considering, right? So when you substitute, so this value comes out to be 0. You have to substitute 4. So 4 into 2, 80. This 2 is 80. 88 will cancel 0. And if you calculate the bending moment at C point, putting x is equal to 2, you will get the value again 40 kilonewton meter. Okay, now your task is to draw the BMD. So again you have to draw lines like this. Now this is 1 degree higher. Okay, behavior is 1 degree higher. At this point is 0, and this point is 0 bending moment, and at this point is 40 kilonewton load. Okay, this is your 40 kilonewton meter. So you have to just draw the linear behavior. It is 1 degree higher than BMD, SFD. Okay, and this behavior is positive. So this is your bending moment diagram. Okay, like this way we calculate the SFD and BMD. So this degree is one higher degree. Okay, this is a linear behavior. Okay, this is linear, and in the previous, this is a rectangular behavior. Okay, this is your rectangle. Okay, when we understood when there is a point load, the behavior of the SFD is rectangle, and the BMD is 1 degree higher. That is nothing but your triangle. 1 degree higher. So always remember, if the loading is 0 degree, if the loading is 0 degree, then your SFD is 0 plus 1 degree. Okay, then your BMD is 0 plus 2 degree. Okay, so 1 degree higher than loading and 2 degree higher than loading. So this you have to remember. Okay, so this is very, very important. Remember this statement. Okay, remember this. And if the loading is point load, the SFD should be rectangle, and if the loading is point load, then the BMD is triangle. Okay, I hope you understood this numerical. In the next video, we will see for the 2-point loads acting on a same beam. Okay, thank you.